In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove negative reviews from Google Business. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key point. You cannot manually delete a review from your Google Business profile just because it's negative. Google only removes reviews that break its prohibited content policies. That means the review must include something like spam, fake content, profanity, harassment, misleading information, or a conflict of interest. So if a review is simply critical, but still genuine and policy compliant, Google usually will not remove it. The first thing you want to do is go to Google Search and access your business profile by searching for your business or by going to the Google Business Management view. From there, locate the review you want to address. As you review the comment, take a moment to decide whether it actually violates Google's policies. This matters because reporting a review works best when there is a clear reason it should be removed. For example, if the review appears to be written by someone who was never a customer, contains abusive language, promotes another business, or is clearly spam, those are stronger grounds for removal. Once you've identified a review that may violate policy, you can flag it for removal through your Google Business profile. This sends the review to Google for evaluation. Keep in mind that this is not instant. Google will review the report and decide whether the content breaks its rules. If Google decides not to remove the review and you still believe it violates policy, you may have the option to appeal that decision. When doing this, be as clear and specific as possible about which policy the review violates. The more accurate and focused your reasoning is, the better your chances of having the case reviewed properly. If the review does not violate Google's policies, then another option is to contact the customer and politely ask whether they would be willing to edit or delete their review. This approach can be especially helpful if the issue came from a misunderstanding or a service problem that has already been resolved. A calm, professional response can sometimes encourage the reviewer to update their feedback. As a general tip, always stay professional when dealing with negative reviews. Even if a review feels unfair, responding thoughtfully helps protect your business reputation and shows future customers that you take concerns seriously. That's the process for handling negative reviews on Google Business. The most important thing to remember is that removal depends on policy violations, not simply whether the review is unfavorable.